You know, I mean, my dad and I used to go to the track when I was a kid. It was a very kind of father and son thing that we did, and it was a lot of fun. And then I owned two racehorses, Existential Thinker, E.T., and Hennessy's Hope. And we ran Del Mar, we ran Hollywood Park, we ran Santa Anita. I won one time with E.T., and we never got Hennessy's Hope off the ground, you know, so it's just one of those things, you know. But, you know, I was always a horse guy, and it's just a lot of fun. I mean, you know, you gamble, you have a good time, you see a lot of pretty ladies, it's awesome.
You like to bet the horses too?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Any Breeders' Cup selections for us?
Oh yeah, man, Fire and Ice. That's where I'm going. My buddies Rob and Ron and Barb Perry own Fire and Ice. Been tearing it up. She's gonna win, or if Wise Dan, it's gonna be either one of those two. I gotta go with Fire and Ice, man. I mean, if I'm not here, I'm watching it on TV, and you know, on the East Coast you got off-track betting, so on top of that too. But my dad and I used to go to Monmouth Park in New Jersey, very close to our house, and it was a father and son moment, you know. And then when I owned my horse, so, you know, I took my little girl here to Santa Anita, and she won. And I was losing, and she was picking numbers. And look, I'm actually, tomorrow night, I'm splitting for the Melbourne Cup. So I'm going to Australia tomorrow, and I'm going to the Melbourne Cup too. Yeah, I got some friends out there, so.
That's awesome.